Hi guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and I got a new background for you today. It is 80 degrees here in Michigan. You know, my last video I showed you snow, so I'm sure you can hear the birds chirping and it's just beautiful. So I'm today sharing a Dunn what I did hunting this past week. So basically from the 18th through the 22nd are the days that I kind of hit the stores. I'm back to work, so yay, that's a good thing. Back to work, but it makes it a little harder, you know. So I haven't found the canister yet. I don't know if it's going to be in the cards for me, but I thought I would share with you the items that I did find and what I saw in the stores. So it's not a huge haul, but I feel like they were really good finds, so you definitely want to stick around for that. And I'm going to go ahead and insert the clips, and then we'll meet right back here in the sunshine, right? It is beautiful, you guys. It is sunny. I love it. I'm sitting on the deck. Deck's not ready yet. It hasn't really been winterized, you know, from the winter really cleaned up good, but I had to get out here. You know, I worked today and it was a long, busy day. So, yeah. I'll meet you right back here and we'll get into the haul. All right. Okay guys, so we are gonna do some Dunn hunting. Let's see what's in the stores this week. It's still pretty chilly here, so let's go shopping. Let's go to Home Goods, and TJ Maxx, maybe Marshall's. Let's see what's going on this week. Last week was an amazing week. I don't know if this week will be the same. Okay, the first store we're shopping with TJ Maxx. And they had the cute mama bear mugs that have the mama and the baby bear on the back. And then they also had, in this TJ Maxx, they had the state mugs and things like that. As you see, I'll be showing you. And they had those last year, but I believe they're the same. They had the LA, the San Francisco, United Kingdom, maybe. I forgot what the first one was, but each side, you know, has it on the back. Comment below, did any of you guys collect those last year? I'm sorry if you hear birds chirping in the background, because I'm outside doing my voiceover, watching the little birdies, and the bunny rabbits that are hopping around. This plant mom with the yellow handle, I know there's a lot of people out there that love the plant mom mugs, and last year they had the ones with the succulents. Also here at TJ Maxx, they had these really cute, you know, containers. That one, I was trying to find the price. I couldn't find the price. Oh, there it is. $6.99. They have these cute little Mickey Mouse ones. Okay, sorry guys. I hopped over to Home Goods. So I think this was the same day. And they're starting to get in all their watering cans, other cute pots. I thought that pot was very cute. It's like the teapot. $24.99. They had the mug, the teacup, you guys, and it was 3 of them. I was excited to see that because everybody else had got the teacups first and we got ours after. So I was trying to really look. I was really please don't let me miss anything. So I was kind of scamming through all of them. I'm like, okay, do I see anything new? What did you guys see new this week? I really like this mug right here, My Happy Place. I was tempted to buy it with the rainbow on the back. I did not pick it up. I'm not gonna lie, I love that green. I thought that was beautiful. And I'm still scanning. A lot of that stuff we had seen. You see this Home Goods. This is the one that usually has a lot of basics. Prayer Warrior. I really like that one. I'm kind of skimming through. You see me moving everything around. But a lot of that we've seen. But really, what did you guys see new this week in your stores? Did you guys find any of the princess mugs? I really like this canister right here, the Mom's Cookies. It's in that pretty green again. I was trying to see how much it was. You guys, I didn't get a very good look. You guys, there's some baby bunnies in my backyard. I'm sorry, I got distracted. But, very cute stuff. And then they're bringing all the melamine, I think I'm saying that correctly, in for the summer, which is great for if you guys are eating outside. Then that way they're not breaking. They had all these bowls. They had the barbecue. They were $14.99. Barbecue, delish. Then they had the plates that said blessed and chow on them. They had delish. Oh, they also had feast in the plates. But those were also $14.99. But my store was telling me they're not getting as many ceramic pieces in right now because they're getting all the summer stuff, the melamine. I think I'm saying it right. I was showing these pillows, you guys. These were really cool because I want to say they were waterproof. Comment below if you guys have seen these pillows. They almost looked like a material that could have been waterproof. Then I end up, this is another day, you guys, I end up going back into TJ Maxx. They had a couple new little trinket things for like bobby pins and different stuff like that. But they had these really cute butter trays with the bees. You know, everybody's bringing out their bee line besides Dunn. Now, you know me and my travel mugs. I have not seen a GG. Now, I know a lot of grandmas like to be called GGs, you know. They had the Never Give Up. They had a Hot Mama, which I thought was really cute. Way in the back, they had But Coffee First. You know, I use my travel mugs every day. Even when I'm at home. I love them because it keeps my stuff nice and cold. I'll literally have a cup of water on the side of my bed and the ice is still perfectly fine. So, but yeah, we're back. We're looking through the stuff. Oh, this is another TJ Maxx, and they had one Princess and the Frog. Just one. I didn't pick it up. All right, so pretty good stuff in the stores, right? I lost some footage though. I had some other stuff that I had videotaped and I lost it. Okay, so I'm gonna share, this was a find that I found at Home Goods. It's not a Dunn, it's just one item. I told you I'm really trying to be choosy. I'm not trying to buy tons of stuff. But look at this beautiful, oh, you guys, this says it's a table runner. I thought it was a blanket. I just noticed that. Right here it says table runner. Jamie. Yep. I was so excited, but guess what? I don't care. I can put this on my ladder. That's really where it was going. It was just going to be decorating purposes, and it'll look perfect as a blanket on the ladder in the living room, because you guys know I do pops of yellow for the spring and summer. And yes, I still have bunnies and everything up. I have not done it yet. I told you I'm back to work, so, but I'm so bummed out though. I really did think this was a blanket. Oh my god. But it does say table runner right there. And it was $12. So I thought, oh my gosh, that's such a great deal, right? But I'm going to use it as a blanket on my ladder. It's just for decorating purposes anyway. So look at the pretty tassels. I really love that. So I got that. And then happy 4th of July. Now, I can't remember. I don't think I have one that actually says happy 4th. Well, it doesn't say July, but I added that. But it says happy 4th. And this was from Home Goods. So, yes, guys, 4th of July is in your stores. And you know what that means. If 4th of July is in the stores now, it won't be too long before fall and Halloween. I know, dare I say that, and I having my first like summer-like day. No, it's still spring, but it literally, I missed, I think, the really hot part of the day, so right now it's just beautiful. There's breeze, the sun's still out, like I said, and the birds are chirping. I love it, even though they wake me up every morning. But this was $6.99, Home Goods. Happy 4th! And you know, I do a 4th of July display. Usually we do 4th of July here, so I always do, like, you know, a lot of little fun things. Then, God bless the USA. And this blue, you guys, this blue is gorgeous. Home Goods. This is one of the clips I lost. There was another one, I think it said Land of the Free, and I think that was red. This was the only blue one I saw, so I'm going to add it to my 4th of July mugs. I don't know, I don't think I had this, but, right, beautiful. Last but not least, so I wasn't sure if I wanted this when we were hunting the first week, but the more I thought about it, I said, you know what, I really I don't have any teacups, you know, and I actually do drink tea in the winter or fall months, like we drink chai tea, and I thought it would be really nice to have this. There's no place like home. The red and the shoes, which I already have, but I think this will go really good once I do my display. You guys, so needless to say, this was $12.99. So but exciting, right? I found that I did not see nothing else. I have a little quick story. I'm very thankful for all the ones that me and my friend found last week, because the little house with the legs, the witch's legs coming out, my Home Goods that I go to all the time, a guy came in and bought all 8 of them. Those were $50 a piece, you guys. $50 a piece. And he bought all 8. That's what drives me crazy. And you know they're upcharging it, and I told you I'm not necessarily like don't do that ever, But I'm like, sometimes just leave some for others. That's all I'm saying. And, you know, I think there's so many people out there upcharging anyways. It is what it is, but the girl that works in my store literally said, Jane, I'm so sorry, you just, like, you missed out on those, like, by a couple hours. Like, I think it was maybe 2 hours. And I don't know if I would have wanted to pay the $50, but I think I would have. That would have been like a gift to me for, I would have made it like a birthday present to myself or something like that, because I can't find the witch canister. I'll get you my pretties. I have been stalking my stores. Even this week, I went in there several times, even with working, getting off work, going by there, going in there before I went. I just can't find them, and I refuse to pay the way up marked charges. I refuse. I won't do it, and I don't condone anybody that does. If you want something that bad and you're gonna treat yourself, you go right ahead, and I think that's fine, but I personally can't, because it's hard enough sometimes paying full price for the mugs, you know. So, but I know, if I remember correctly, the 4th of July stuff goes pretty fast. So that's, I picked these up just in case, just like that little canister, because I'm like, if I don't find any other ones, at least I have that one. Yes, it's speckled, but I think it's pretty, and I think it'll look nice in my, you know, coffee bar. I'm sorry if you guys hear my air conditioner. So, but yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all we got going on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and say my goodbyes. My neighbor just walked out, and they don't know I do YouTube, so I probably look like a crazy person over here. But yeah, comment below. Let me know if you guys were hunting for the Wizard of Oz, if you found it. You guys saw that I found the Princess and the Frog. I was tempted to buy it, but you know what? I said, no, I'm going to leave it for someone else. I hope someone that really is looking for it found it, because I know those were going really fast in the stores. So that's my thing. I really hope that people that really want it, collectors, finds when I leave stuff, you know. So, but that's it for today. I want you guys to give me the big thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. It keeps me pushing out to other people, that way they can see me. Make sure you hit that bell, because you don't want to miss anything, and you want to see what this crazy girl's up to. I do have another vlog. When I went out this past week, I went into several stores, so I have a video coming with like summer and 4th of July stuff. I know it's probably early for a lot of people, but it's out now, and if you don't get it, it won't be here come 4th of July. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. It's got Target Bullseye, it has some Hobby Lobby 4th of July, it has Dollar Tree 4th of July, and it's just going to be a mix-up of all of those stores. So it should be a pretty fun video. Basically just a shop with me, and yeah. So I'm gonna say goodbye. I know I keep saying that, but be kind to one another, love one another, and I'll see you next time.